Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the Army Public School vacancies notification, guys. And really it is a very good news to the candidates who are having the graduation as well as the post graduation. And you may apply from any state, guys. So it is all over the India vacancies. So you may apply from any state. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification, guys. And the candidates who are looking for such type of opportunities, okay, even though if your friends or colleagues, then please share this video to them. It will be very much helpful to them, guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. To the present content of the video, so it is Army Public School from Bolaram and it is official website. So I will provide this website in the description box of this video, guys. And if you scroll down in the quick links, you may check down here the vacancies 2021 to 22 on ad hoc basis. So here the teaching staff as well as administrative staff, okay, both the two different types of vacancies are there. So first we will see the ad hoc vacancies, okay. First we will see the complete notification and then I will show you the application forms regarding both the teaching as well as the non-teaching. So anticipated vacancies of ad hoc teachers and administrative staff 2021 to 22. And it is from Secunderabad. So invites applications for postgraduate teachers. So PGT History 1, Political Science 1, Geography 1, Home Science 1 and Economics 1, Psychology 1, Maths 1 and Information Practices 1, Physical Education 1 and Fine Arts 1, experienced and qualified teachers to teach senior secondary classes, CBSE, qualifications required, post-graduation with 50% of marks in the subject, plus recognized degree in the education must be there, fine. And coming to the next one, trained graduate teachers. So English 1, Hindi 3, Sanskrit 1, Social Science 5, Health and Wealth teacher 2, experienced and qualified teachers to teach secondary classes, CBSE, qualifications graduate with 50% of marks in subject plus recognized degree in the education. And coming to the primary teacher PRT, all subjects 8 and computer science 1. So qualified teachers to teach the subjects in primary classes CBSE. The qualification required is graduate with 50% of marks in the subject, particular subject, plus recognized degree in the education must be there. And for all teaching faculty, preference will be given to the AWES scorecard holders and age as on 1st April 2021. Fresh candidates below 40 years and experienced candidates below 57 years. And coming to the librarian, Bachelor of Library Science or graduate with a diploma in library science from a recognized institute and computer literate from minimum 3 years of experience, and the security supervisor or else administrative supervisor, one vacancy is there, preferably an ex-serviceman up to the age of 55 years and a computer savvy MS Office, should not have any disciplinary case against him in the entire service. And coming to the computer lab technician, minimum 10+2 with 1 year diploma in the computer science and the knowledge of hardware. So peripheral and networking must be known, and age limit is 35 as on 1st April 2021. And here the school postal address is given here, okay, JJ Nagar Post from Secunderabad. And here the contact numbers are also provided. So if you are having any queries regarding this notification, then you may contact to these numbers, guys. And applications forms are available in the school website. So hard copy of the application form along with the Xerox copies of educational qualifications and experience, okay, etc. to be sent by post or else by hand to the school by 5th June 2021. Okay. So it is a detailed notification, guys. And coming to the application form, as I told you that both the application forms you will get in the official website itself. So while coming to the application form of the teaching staff, you may check down the details here. So first of all, you have to fill up application form you are writing for the post of PGT, TGT or the PRT, and your personal data you have to fill up, and contact details, so present and previous occupation, so what is the family life, okay, and coming to the educational records, okay, and graduation or post graduation through the correspondence or regular, okay, what you are, and whatever the experience, okay, any previous experience is there. So you have to mention all these things, and aptitude, okay, and while coming to the health wise and co-curricular activities, games and sports, if any. So what is your computer knowledge and other activities, and agreement. If appointed, I agree to abide with AWES rules and regulations for Army Public Schools. Fine. And coming to the application for the administrative staff, here you may check down. So for which post you are applying for, and what is the name and gender, okay, date of birth and qualifications, computer knowledge, language known, experience, okay, so all these things you have to fill up. So hard copy of application form along with the Xerox copies of your educational qualifications and the experience certificate has to be sent by post, or else to the by hand you can give to the school, and the school address is also mentioned here, guys. Fine. So it is a complete details, and I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. So please share this one to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities and who are having the corresponding degree or the post graduation with any one recognized certificate in the education. Fine. So it will be very much helpful to them, guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail, by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.